Hey there, it's Esther the Esthetician here. Today I will be sharing with you some tips on waxing. Being that it is summertime, you want to look your best at all time and be hair free. So I'll get straight into it. So how does this work? A warm wax is applied to the desired area and then it is removed in the opposite direction of the hair growth. It pulls the hair from the root, which allow you to enjoy a more smooth and even hair-free underarm. It is best for legs, underarms, bikini areas, and those with coarse and darker hair that tends to be a little bit more stubborn. Some pros to waxing: it temporarily removes hair at the root for an average of 3 weeks. And some con would be waxing requires some regrowth in order for it to be effective. So you have to have a little bit of hair when you're ready to come in for your next treatment. And depending on your pain tolerance, it may be a little bit more painful for some than others. But after the first time, I always hear clients say it's much better after that. And some tips for you: you want to make sure that you find a good quality salon where they keep the station clean. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Esther the Esthetician here. You can visit us at www.luxurylotusspa.com. There you can shop and book your appointment online. If you need help or you have any questions, you feel free to reach out, okay?